Ang pangalan po niya, si Boots. Now, what is Boots going to do? Oh, Boots is going to ring the bell as loud as he could. So that everyone, no, everybody in the barangay will hear that there's an alarm that's being sounded. Okay? Oh, now actually, itong si Boots namin, wala na po siyang mata. Daw biusay tawag na to sa walay mata. Ha? Oh, na, Boots yung pangalan. Okay? Oh. Pero bisang katuod, ngayon, ana, gatabang siya. No, di ba? Pero meron din tayong ibang persons with disability in our community, no? Some, they cannot hear, but they can see. Now, for those people, eto naman ang gagawin naman ni Rookie, no? Rookie is going to send the signal. It's a very simple signal. All he's going to do is change the color of the flag. Now, from the normal green-colored flag, oh, Rookie is going to change it into the red-colored flag. Kasi red denotes danger. Isn't it? Huh? So, ayan, no, yung barangay hall nila, red flag, no? So, makikita yan ngayon, across the river, may isa pang signal station, pinapalitan din yung kulay ng flag, no? Oh. Tapos, ito naman, vantage point, makikita on top of the hill. On top of the hill is another bird. It's changing the color of the flag. So, look, everywhere you go, red flag, no, in their barangay, no, di ba? Pero, mind you, the birds did not invent this, this very simple signal, kasi we have a law, Republic Act, no? 10121, which says that our leaders have to be prepared. So dapat, gan should be the days na yung mga leader natin gagalaw lang pag may disaster na. Sa batas na ito, ang sinasabi, kailangan tayo'y maghanda. Okay? Pero, hindi talaga pwedeng, no, makapag-communicate kasi kung minsan baka malayo masyado yung disaster area, walang kuryente, yung mga daan, unpassable, okay? All of the other scenarios. So sila, they have another thing going for them because they have what we call messenger birds. Now in this case, it's a pigeon, and this pigeon has a message tucked into its leg. Now the bird is going to fly from the farthest barangay to the munisipyo. Okay? To bring with it the message. Okay? Okay, he's going to go, oh, where are you going? Yeah, he's trying to find this way. He's trying to find this way. Whoa, there you go. Ang layo-layo. But yay, very good. Now he's found this pigeon house. And let's away as the bird goes inside this pigeon house so we can retrieve the message that he has brought today. Okay? Wonderful. Beautiful. There you go. There you go. So the bird is safely inside and Rani is there and Rani is just now going to pick up the bird. Very good. And this time we'd like to ask for a volunteer. Not a volunteer to read aloud. You want? Okay, to read aloud the message that our bird has brought today. Okay, Rani, here's a girl. It's a little girl here who would like to read the message that our bird has brought. Sige nga. Okay, so everybody, let's listen, Let's listen. So, Iha, using the microphone, read aloud. Read aloud the message that our bird has brought today. Okay, very good. Okay, the boys are crowding and they only want to know.
Mom, volcano is observed to be restless, suggest to evacuate the school children soonest. Mangkado.
Well, thank you very much. So, Mangkado sent word. He says that the volcano is acting up, it's getting restless. So there we have our volcano. And he's even suggested to evacuate the children. Why? What is going to happen? The alarm is sounding off. Oh boy, here they come. yan, ha, ladies and gentlemen. Baka mailagay kayo sa isang sitwasyon na may makita kayong mass exodus of insects and other animals that are going a certain direction. Naku, huwag na kayo mag-isip, ha? Sundan nyo na lang sila. Because sigurado, may masamang mangyayari. Kasi nga, sila nga, tawag nating biological indicators. Okay? So, palakpakan po natin ang ating little and big bird indicators. Very good. Thank you very much. Okay, now, let's talk about a big word. No? Maraming mga bata in the audience today. So I hope the parents and the teachers can reinforce what we will be talking about today. Because this big word is called climate change. Okay? Now, climate change. We cannot do anything about it. No? Nangyayari na siya and affects people all over the world. Different places, different ways, climate change is affecting them. For some, ang nangyayari, naku, tuyo. For others, like here, naku, anong epekto ng climate change? Ulan. O, diba? Sobrang ulan. Ulan umaga, hapon, sa gabi. Eh, kaya, matanong ko kayo, pag sobra ang ulan, anong nangyayari? Ha? Anong nangyayari pag sobra ang ulan? Baka. No? Nagkaka-flash-flash baka. At kasama ng baka. Ano po ang nakikita natin sa ating kapaligiran? Ha?
Basura.
Ano nakikita? Basura. Napakaraming basura. O, diba? Pero, pag nawala na yung baha, kung minsan, nawawala din yung basura. Saan kaya pumupunta ang basura? Sa ilog, and find its way all the way out to sea. Doon sa dagat. At doon, akala ng ibang mga ibon, akala ng mga pawikan, akala ng mga dugong, no? Uy, pagkain yung basura at nakakain nila. Ano kaya mangyayari sa kanila pag kumain sila ng basura? Mamamatay. Now, gusto niyo bang mangyari yun? No, of course, we don't want that to happen. And that's why we say that we should learn from our birds. Kasi itong mga birds natin, sila yung nagpapakita kung ano ang state of our environment. As a matter of fact, may I ask the parents, paano yung ina-explain sa anak ninyo that everything will be better after a storm? Di ba sinasabi natin na pag makita natin yung mga birds na lumilipad na naman, pag tayo ay nagigising sa umaga, sa huli ng mga ibon sa labas ng ating bintana, di ba sinasabi natin that everything will be better? Di ba? Kung kaya, sabi natin, today, our teacher birds would like to tell us that we can do something. And the easiest thing we can do to mitigate the effect of climate change is to reduce carbon emission. So sabi ng teacher bird, imbis na sumakay pa kayo ng kotse at magsunog ng gasolina, mabuti pa, mag-power cycle. O, tingnan nyo. Oh, di ba? Oh, very good, no? Oh. At kung hindi naman daw malayo yung mapupuntahan, eh baka pwedeng maglakad na lang. No, that way, makakatipid pa tayo ng napakamahal na gasolina. Okay? Oh. But there's more that we can do. At ito na nga, this has something to do with basura. No, di ba ayaw natin ng basura? Ayaw natin ng kalat? So again, it's going to be our teacher birds who are going to tell us what we should do with the basura. Sige nga. Oh, very good. Very good. O, anong ginagawa ng mga birds? What are they doing? Segregating. Sabi nila, yung hindi nabubulok na basura, itapon doon sa black na basurahan. At yun naman daw nabubulok, dapat itapon sa green na basurahan. Pero once again, I want to tell you, the birds did not invent this. Because, again, we have a law. Republic Act 9003 or the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act. And what this law says is for each and every Filipino to segregate their trash at source. Oh, di ba? So ayan ha, ladies and gentlemen, today our teacher birds are really just trying to remind us of these very important environmental laws that we have. At alam nyo, sabi ng mga teacher bird na kung sana lahat ng Pilipino ay sumunod sa batas. Well, we're very sure that our communities will be clean. And most of all, we can all help save this very beautiful, though very fragile, Philippine environment of ours. And on that note, we would like to say thank you very much for coming and watching the Malagos Gardens Interactive Workshop. Okay? We hope you learned and we hope you enjoyed the show. Okay? So sige nga, what will you say, Luki? Or what do you do? Oh, sabi niya, bye-bye! So we hope you stay a little longer, and enjoy this art and nature theme park that we have built for one and all. So once again, daghang salamat, mayong buntag kaninyong tanan. Thank you very much. And so now, if you're ready with your cameras, now's the time to have your photos taken with the birds. Okay? But again, may I remind you to please respect the birds. Okay? So thank